Oh, Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Ankr Danger Move coming soon. Be alert, be safe from loss because the danger move of the Ankr coin are coming soon, my friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save yourself from the big loss of Ankr coin because the bad crash coming soon in the Ankr coin. So keep watching this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time, if we talk about the price of the Ankr coin in the market, so 0.07342 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes over in the Ankr coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Ankr coin is positive, my friends. The whole changes occur in the Ankr coin is positive, but except of these, the people don't understand, my friends. People can't believe that how the Ankr coin price will fast down. But remember that it's the reality of Ankr coin, that the big crash, the big danger move is coming soon in the Ankr coin, my friends. So be ready, my friends. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. From the price chart, now this time the change is positive, but my technical analysis, my personal prediction tell us that the price will dump, my friends. Very soon the price will fall down, and absolutely Ankr coin will continue this falls for the next 1 week. That's my personal prediction. Maybe, my friends, we can't say about the future. Maybe the price will pump tomorrow, next day, but I believe that the price falls down, my friends. That's my There's a 70% chance to the price falls down and 30% chance to the price will pump, my friends. So how you can save yourself from loss? Hold, my friends. Any coin hold. Any cryptocurrencies you are holding and the price changes is negative, so holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Same like that, at this time you have to only hold Ankr coin and absolutely wait for the huge pump of the Ankr coin. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.